Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this super rare 2018 Buick Regal Sport Tour X. It's the Essence submodel, nearly fully loaded, excellent rare sport wagon, beautiful condition, one owner pedigree, no reported accidents, auto check certified. Got Goodyear tires, all plenty of tread life left, four-wheel disc brakes, and we got these beautiful clean and clear headlights, nice LED headlights with fog lights, and then we're all powered by the 2.0 turbo engine, so punchy little four-cylinder, and complement a turbocharged 4 with all-wheel drive. Got a heck of a sport wagon here. The nice hyper gray on polished wheels, keyless smart entry throughout, automatic windows for driver and passenger, slick wood grain trim. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, and liftgate. Full leather interior. For audio, we're equipped with a Bose sound system, LED lighting throughout the interior, piano black finish across the AC bezels, and nice large screen for rear backup camera and touchscreen stereo. We also get our climate controls down here, dual heated front seats, park assist, lane keep assist, and cup holder storage. Also get automatic transmission with rear electric parking brake. And then inside here we get phone charging for USB. And then also get this nice leather wrapped center console, and then you get that nice wood trim throughout and around the bezel. Interior smells like brand new. Comes with LED illuminated vanity mirrors. Also get HomeLink, sunroof shade, and then our map lighting and OnStar SOS system with an auto dimming rear view mirror. It also comes with front collision warning and adaptive cruise control. Nice leather panels throughout. The vehicle is basically brand new inside and out. There's hardly any wear at all. I mean, this is a 9.9 out of 10, so if you're looking for this ultra rare sport wagon, this is definitely one to consider, because there's not many out there, and there's not many out there this clean. You get those nice split fold 60/40 rear seats, dual cup holder fold down armrest, and you can see this huge panoramic sunroof, more than half the car's length. So all glass here, and then you got the standard sunroof there. The beautiful brush nickel on all the window trims and the roof rail lines, so it gives it that nice clean look. And then you got these large plastic cladding over the wheel well arches. So we got our park assist sensors throughout, dual exit exhaust, and then we get subwoofer, and our tools for receiver tow. This one's an air pump driven car, so air pump only on spare tire situation. So the TourX Regal. No dings, dents, scratches to report on the outside. It's a like new vehicle. Like I said, it's just absolutely stunning. Dual charging USB in the back, and then we also get the rear AC back there. Then coming to the driver's side, we get our power windows, locks, mirrors, and then this is for the height position of the rear hatch. You get dual memory seat functions, and then we get our lumbar support. And I mean, as you can see, even the bolster here, everything's perfect. So the original one owner definitely took care of this vehicle. And so we have our automatic headlights, fog lights. As far as steering wheel goes, it's just our turn signals, interval front and rear wipers. See the nice Buick and Telelink logos popping up. Leather wrapped steering wheel for cruise, heated steering wheel, as well as voice command, and then nice Buick logo here, and then our multifunction wheel for any of the information there on the screen, and then some radio functioning as well too. So push to start, sweep and gauge entry, 109,000 original one-owner miles. Plenty of information to scroll through for audio, phone, navigation, and then digital speed. Has an auto start-stop system. And then we got our rear backup camera, touchscreen, stereo, navigation system.
Time to run it back.
Stereo sounds excellent. Display of the compass and the time. Leather style looking dash, all clean, all perfect. And then as far as the windshield goes, it is the original windshield, no cracks, no chips. This is one of the cleanest vehicles you can get, and then such a ultra rare vehicle too. As you can see, those nice climate controls light up. But ultra rare vehicle, if you're looking for something different that jumps off the page, you want a rare wagon, you're a wagon fan, you want clean, you want turbocharged, you want performance, you want all-wheel drive, look no further than this Buick Regal TourX Essence. You can find this beautiful ultra-rare sport wagon exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.